Hello? Hello? Okay. Um, yeah. So, hi. Oh my gosh, it's Monkey Face. How are you? Welcome in. Um, yeah, I think I'm at a pretty good spot with, let me see if yeah, there we go. I'm at a pretty good spot with this widget with the colors. Um, I think, okay, what I would like to try to do today is, hi Starman. What I would like to try to do is actually see if I can get a build of this, like just with the color stuff going. I think that would be really cool. Because then we can test that bit, and then if that bit works, we can continue with the other stuff. Because then I want to do coats and props and such. So, um, at least for now, this would be kind of neat. Um, yeah. If we can get something with just colors working, I would be quite happy. I'd be quite happy with that. Save. Okay. How about we go up? Right? Yeah, let's go up. Oh, no, I went to sleep instead. Let's go up. Okay. Um. Sorry, I heard something. Yeah, so I have a bunch of spaghetti codetti in here, which isn't as bad as I thought it was actually. We kind of have that bit working, which is very cool. Uh, have the maps that I need. Um, I think what I truly need to do. Yeah, so if we want to actually implement this, I need to make sure that this matches my editor ID. But what I also need, you know what, before I do that, I need just this window. I also need my little edit mode border to show. So maybe I'll export this as is so that I have something to look at. So I have something to look at. Um, yeah. Maybe we'll just do the border for now. Yeah, okay. Well then you don't get to see. You don't get to see that. Export. This is texture, edit mode, border. 1920 1080 is perfect. I gotta go find where to put that. Oh, textures, border, yippee. Okay. Because I think what I have to do is basically just toggle on and off different things as I work. Right? So I have my border, which I think I can put in here as an image. I guess it would be a... I guess, well, okay, there's a couple things. First and foremost, these are each different textures. Where I have my opacity mask being this, but I'm wondering... Because I need to toggle visibility, but I guess I can toggle the visibility of the widget, right? I can just say don't render or something. Yeah, I can just set render opacity to 0, I'm sure. Yeah. Okay. So I don't necessarily need to hide any, or put it in the material, I mean. I don't need to do that. Okay. Well then, let me just add an image. Shaboink. Image. Edit. I guess I've been calling it image, edit, mode. Am I spelling that? Yes. Border. And grab my border. 1920, 1080. Okay, great. Because then I can see that. I can make sure that's there. Yes, please make it a variable because I'm going to have to edit it. So I will do on redeem edit. I guess, yeah, so with edit mode on, I'm setting all this stuff, but what I should also do, I think this is set by now. What I should also do is grab this, get border, and can I set render opacity? I set, set render. I actually don't know. Can I set render opacity to 1 like this? And in the beginning, I don't set that right now. I guess when I cast to it, then I guess I can set them to 0, which I think will have to be a function. Or I can, wait, what am I doing? I guess I could set render opacity to 0 on all of these in the widget, and then turn them on for debug as I need them. Where did my render opacity go? The fuck? There it is. So set that to 0. Set that to 0. Set that to 0. Awesome. Compile, save. So, no compile. Begin draw was pruned because its execpent was not connected. Oh. Okay, well. Let's plug that in there for now. There we go. Okay. So then, okay, so this is connected to on redeem edit. So if I press play, oh, I don't have OBS open. OBS. There it is. You there? Remind me. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything there. It's gonna look like ass, but I think if I redeem this on my end, right? I have this redemption. I do. For testing only. If I toggle it on, nope. Did not do what I wanted it to. Okay, why? Oh. Because I need StreamerBot open. Silly me. Can't very well read it if I don't have the program that reads it open. Okay. Yes, please open. Oh wait, no, the whole point of this is that it's going to be difficult to test. Oh wait, it's connected? Oh, what the fuck? Wait, no, yeah, it's not connected. Ugh, okay. Well, I guess we're debugging it. Alright, great. Actually, yeah, let's leave that open so that it doesn't throw me an error. Oh, whoopsie. Let's show this again. Yeah, what the fuck? Annoying. So how about we debug left alt? I think spacebar is taken by somebody. Okay, press play. Not there. Press left alt. Although, I don't have anything enabled in here, do I? Every single thing I do, I have to say get or enable input. I guess I should put it here. Stupid. Player controller. Make it purple. There we go. So that I can fucking use my thing. Jesus. Okay, play. Not there. Left alt. Still not there. What the hell? Wait. Is it just not writing to the render target at all? Spout out? Yeah, it's just not fucking there. Okay. Do I have the right number on there? Yeah, render opacity is 1. I'm pressing left alt, right? Yes. Oh, you know what? Is it? No, it's not breaking here, is it? Hope not. How about we try that? Literally just see if render opacity is a thing that we can do for this. Or wait, I think I've done this before. Where it wasn't happy with that and instead I had to like set opacity. Whoop. Target is image. Right, so set opacity to 1. Right, or is that something else? Oh, where's my render opacity? Okay, so if I set those to 1, color and opacity would be the, oh, I see. Oh, so I can set opacity there, okay. So set it to 0 for now. And see what that does? That should show everything but my border. Yeah. Left alt. No, still nothing, huh? The fuck? Right? Oh. Well. It's me being a dummy. Big dummy. Right? Nothing there. Left alt. There. No? The fuck? Seriously? Okay, well that's not it. Why would this not want to work? Yeah, because I'm not setting anything anywhere else. What? Yes. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. What happened? Edit mode. Border. Do your data disable posting images? Wait. No. Not me. I barely touched the Discord, so couldn't be me. Which, that's a problem in and of itself. Okay, can I just set visibility? Yeah, set it to visible. Can I set visible here? It's not letting you. I don't even know how I'd fix that, honestly. Oh wait, there's visible. Okay, hidden. What? That's not an option. Oh wait, yes it is. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, wait, actually, I can take a quick look, but there's no guarantee that I'll be able to fix it. It's in curse screen caps. Let me see, permissions maybe? Wait, yeah. Yeah, allow people to attach files, right? Maybe try that. I think that's what I need. Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks like it went through. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. That's weird. I don't know why I wouldn't let you just attach files. Strange. Okay, we're so back. Okay. Press play. Oh. Wait, what the fuck do I have invisible right now? Is that in here? No. Oh. Is it? Oh, I did the wrong thing. Oopsie. Visible. Hide that one. Hidden. Display. Good. It's hidden. Back over here, I press left alt. Oh, fuck. Is it really just like the debug bullshit? Like, is it just mad at that? Oh my god, I didn't even fucking plug it in. I keep doing this. Okay. Right? Not there. Great. Press it. Still not there. Alright, I'm starting to think that debug key doesn't actually do anything. It's just a hunch. Right, not there. Left click, or left alt. Yeah, okay, it's debug. Great. Fuck. That's annoying. That being the case, I would rather not set visibility like that. I would rather set, maybe set opacity. Because then I can set that to visible and set my opacity to 0. And try that. Okay, great. Left alt. Fuck. Okay. Wait, for real? Did I not plug it in again? Why the fuck am I like this? My lord. I'm gonna pull that over here so I can see. Okay. Press. Not there. Press. It is there. Yippee! Okay, great. So I can set up whether or not the stuff is visible, and maybe I can set up, okay, I can set up a timeline, I guess? If I can? Well, that's if I want it to fade in. Do I want it to fade in? Hmm. This might actually be interesting. Hi, the Bigly. How are you? This could actually probably be interesting. Can I scale this whole thing? I have a pivot. I can. What? Okay. Oh, you did. No. She's super cute. Okay, so what I think... So I think what we could probably do is maybe make an animation. Enter. I guess edit mode start. We can make an animation and add the whole canvas. I think transform, where I guess how long is this? Right now it's 5 seconds. I think I'd want it to be, let's make it 1 second. There's our key. And at 0, we make it, I guess 1.2. Fuck. 1.2. Fuck, what the hell? 1.2 enter? Oh, enter? Yeah, there we go. 1.2 enter. Or maybe we can go, maybe at 0.8 we can go like at 0.95 or something. Fuck. 0.95 enter. 0.95 enter. So then you kind of gotta warp, you know? Warp. That could be fun. Because we only need it big enough so that we know that this is, or sorry, this including the colors is out of frame. Louis, hello! Louise. I apologize. I don't know why my brain goes right to Louis. That is incorrect. So I guess instead of set opacity, I want to get the canvas, which I can't do because it's not a variable. Canvas. Edit mode. Is variable. Yes, please. Yeah, edit mode. Play animation? No? Is it on the whole HUD? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, great. Play animation. In animation? What? It's right there. Edit mode start. Oh, get edit mode start? Okay. I don't know why I have to... Okay, whatever. Strange. Start at 0, play once. Playback speed, play forward. See what that does. How does it start out of frame? No. What does it start at? 1.2? Wait, yeah, what the hell? Oh, wait, I think it's because I'm previewing an animation. Yeah. Whatevs, bro. Whatevs. Okay, so if I open this, yeah, I'm not worried about this right now. I'm worried about everything else. And it's gonna run. Well, actually, how about I do this? Shaboink. Press my button. I guarantee you I didn't plug it in. I deleted it. Why? Why do I do this? Why do I do this to myself? Just want to see that little animation. Boink. Yeah, I think that's maybe too small. I think the whole thing is too slow. Let's, like, have it. How's your Wi-Fi? I guess it's fine. I'm not seeing any dropped frames, but I think fine? If that's what you mean? Oh, fuck. Maybe we'll put this to 0.4. Put this to point. Oops. Okay. Yeah. That move the keys? No. Stop it. Stop it. Fuck. I want you. I want you. Go here. Shoop. That's better. Stream keeps buffering while the other one I have up is not. Oh. I'm not seeing dropped frames at least, but I guess that's not the only indicator. Have you had 480p in the other? Oh, I see. I see. Shablink. That looks a little better. I think it's a little too exaggerated. Put me at 6. Yeah, that tracks. That's fair enough. At least until the reinstall is done. Yeah, that's okay. 0.98 maybe? I just think that number's too... Here. What does that look like here, though? Maybe that's too small? 0.97? 0.97? I don't know. I feel like doing little animation flourishes like this is maybe too much, but I don't care. Yeah, great. Looks good to me. Looks kind of big. Why is that? My music broke. Stop doing that. No, it does look big. Why? Oh, because it's 1090, 1080. Jesus. That should look better. That looks way better. Okay. Awesome. So that works. That's great. Don't delete. Just remove for now. Okay. So then what I need is on... Oh dear. I guess what we can do is does match. Then that does the export. Otherwise, it just is done. And then we play this animation in reverse. So it's going to be a little difficult to test. So maybe I'll just wait until that's packaged. Because then all of these will need a does ID edit or does ID match editor ID. Where... Okay. This is where it's going to get a little complicated. Where I need to get rid of you. I basically... Okay. Before I... Ah, my eyes. Before I do anything else... I should export just this. Yeah, export just this. Because then I need to make sure that we're clicking on this. Yeah. Okay. How about... Okay. I will... I wish I could, like... I wish I could just crop and only export this, like, just, like, automatically crop it. Because I can just do that, right? I can just... Well, I would save as a separate file. I would say... Mode buttons. And I would crop the fuck out of it. No snapping. Snapping? Are you playing again? No. It was literally called Deja Vu. Yeah, I heard that already. Whatever. Whatever. Okay. Great. So this is my buttons. File, save. Oh, and then I will export that. Can you play that one song that sounds like the love theme from Romeo and Juliet? If I knew what that was, then sure. Otherwise, I don't really know what you're talking about. So this is texture. Edit button. Oh, can't spell. Yeah, so then that's its own thing that I can import. It's called A Passion for Glory. As in, like, is that a song that I play usually? Okay, 80 by 280. Save. Yeah, I guess this can just be an image. Where it doesn't necessarily need a material on it. I figured a neat thing on like, ooh, tell me all about it. Akatsuki? Akatsuki, Levi? I think. I'm so sorry. Tell me all about it though. It came on during a previous stream for your lo-fi play. Oh, from this one? Let me see if I can find it. A Passion for Glory. Oh, yeah, right there. Boop. Oh yeah, I've heard this before for sure. Image. Shaboink. Not wrap with. Rename? Oh wait, I can rename it up there. This image, edit, button, colors. And it is in fact a variable. It is 80 by 280. Alright, so then I just have to line it up, I think. I think when this is done, you should put on the love theme by Romeo and Juliet. Oh, fuck. I mean, if I don't get DMCA'd for it. No, I can't. Okay, great. Can't just scoot that a little bit. Oh, it's snapping every 4 pixels? Strange. Oh, wrong thing. Guess 106? Because I know it's at a round pixel. 35? And 34? 35. That looks good. Compile, save. Hi Geo! How are you? I think when this is, the chances of evoking... I don't know. My VODs get muted for stupid reasons. We doing more... Yeah, I really want to see if I can get a packaged version of this out where this, at least the colors bit starts working. That would be pretty cool. So I had an idea of stacking papers for Blender to try and make like traditional animation celluloid render. Ooh, cool. Like how the 90s animes and cartoons were made. I put a perspective camera, 2 area lights coming from each side at a 45-degree angle so it would light up the sheets and give it shadows. Enabled shadow rendering on Eevee with my ray tracing options so shadows would look... Whoa! Wait, that's cool as fuck! I figured that you can use multiple scenes to render one as the main content and the second as a celluloid renderer, and use the output of the main content as a stack on the celluloid render scene. So I feel like there's something there. Maybe it could work on the right... Oh, wait, yeah, that's cool. That's very interesting. Geo's good. I put some glue stuff on my motorbike's mirror stuff. Oh, good, I think. The love theme from Romeo and Juliet? Come on. Theme. Love theme from Romeo and Juliet. Oh, no, I don't need to see the artist. I need to see the song. Movie, I've seen bits of the movie. We watched it in like English class. Oh wait, sorry. authors, most notably John Williams. Whoa. And some other guy I don't know. I actually don't know who that is. Gary Stockdale? Hmm. Let's put the lo-fi back on. Yeah, John Williams. John Towner Williams. You know, that guy. Dude looks like he'd make the silliest joke ever, then proceed to absolute info dump about how specific harmonics on a piano affect your audible loudness and how it affects your perception of that. That's kind of exactly, yeah. Oh no, I know who that is. I think I saw him in concert. Is that John Williams? Right? I'm thinking the right thing. John Williams did Star Wars and all that shit, right? Yeah, Star Wars. Okay, good. Yeah, I saw him in concert when I was out in LA. It was really cool. A bunch of Star Wars nerds were there. um, yeah, everyone brought their lightsabers. It was kind of a strange, it was a strange experience. um, oh, right, okay. So I need the shelf to be hidden. Oh, I need them both to be hidden. um, which I guess, what did we say would be optimal for that? I guess render opacity, 0, 0. Because I only want those to be visible when we have uh when we have color mode on. So on click. Okay, so let me try this. Shit. Yeah, whatever. Okay. I know you get mad when I do that. At some point, I'm sure they did the ceremonial banging of the ballistics. Yes. They yeah. Okay, so if I press play, and hopefully hi John Williams. And I press left alt, I deleted it. I did the thing I said I wasn't gonna do. How am I like this? Okay, so press left alt. Yeah, I just needed to play the animation right now so that I can see what's there. Show blink. Left alt. Blink. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So then I have the colors option where I'll be like, if you clicked there, then we'll enable color mode. And like toggle it. So then you can see, like that'll open the color menu. Okay, great. So I would say, does ID match editor ID? Yeah. Oop. And if so, I need a version of this. And say, oop, fuck. And say, oh, this is such a mess. This is so gross. I have an 8-track of Henry Mancini's greatest hits. That's awesome. Speaking of Star Wars, the very first vinyl I got for my new vinyl player was like a 70s jazz arrangement of the Star Wars main theme, and it actually kind of fucking slaps. It's kind of great. And I only bought it because the cover is so fucking sick. The album cover, I love it so much. So is colors button. Yeah, so check. I have to set these. I literally have to set these as like as a variable so I don't have to fucking do this. So if that, yeah, I have to basically do what I did here. If that, get display name. Are you for real? The hell is this node? Whatever. Whatever. I only ever had one vinyl. It was my aunt's copy of Pink Floyd The Wall. Oh, that's a good one though. That's a good one. So I think if true, Wait, are you for real? Why is my mic messing up? I literally redid my whole audio setup. There's no way. If I mute and unmute, does it do it again? Decided to take a trip to IBM OS 2 where oh no. Wait. Oh, you know what? You know what it might be? Let me take a peek at something. You sound like a droid from Star Wars. Beep boop. Beep boop, noodle malfunction. Roger, roger. You just keep it the way it is. I totally fucking blame the shit. Oh my god. How did I fix it? I don't know what I did. Ah. Alright. Well, let me know if it happens again though. Because I'm quite curious what the fuck is happening. So if true, I guess, hold on. I need a display name. So what is my display name? At this rate, you'll need a string. Yeah, seriously. Print string. I would love if I could, like, just get the name of this, like, variable. Like, just tell me if this has been clicked. Right, because then I can do... Oh my god, shut up. Then I can do a switch on string, or a switch on name. Yeah. No, you have... I remember the Borg. I remember. Okay, so if I press... if I press that... Oh, wait a second. Oh wait, no, it's on click, right? Which means... I can do the clickies. Or, hold on. Do I still have left alt enabled? Okay, great. I just have to see if I can click. Borg talk like that too. We have the Borg. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yes. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Load, 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 load. Click? Nope. Cannot click yet. Cannot click. Click? None. Great. Click? Click? Oh, okay. It is just... Okay, it is just the name of it. Okay, great. So I can do a switch. That's awesome. Alright. Close that. I don't know why, but the scene in Unreal looks like it's about to violently explode like Source Engine when a ragdoll clips into something. I mean, it might... I feel like I saw some like weird vibraty stuff like over here. Like I might know what you're talking about, but I don't know. I've been messing with Source Engine too much. Oh, I see. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, right. It does just give me the name of this, which is really cool. So, in that case, I can switch on name. And I can say if it's I edit button colors, and then I'm in color mode. Right? Or I guess it would toggle, right? No. I don't want to flip-flop. Because I do just need to toggle, which I guess would be like... I guess I would have... Or, no. Because this would be my mode, essentially, right? Or would it be? Because then I could do a big switch on name, right? Of like, see where you're clicking. If you're clicking on the colors or on the colors button, then I just need you to show or hide the UI. But if you click on any other widget, well, wait. Yeah, no, we're just checking if it's clicked. We're not, yeah, because then otherwise it's none. So never mind, that doesn't work. Unless I change what widget is clicked. Yeah, hold on. Is there a way that I can cycle through this? Can I? Can I get an array of like widget components? No. Right? No. We are the Borg. We are. Is it broken again? Doing some late night dev to debug stuff and see if I can get the monstrosity I've built working. Oh fuck yeah. Very cool. Good luck. It's fixed again. Fuck. Wait, yeah, that's so annoying. Lurk mode? Do it. Do it. No. It's kind of annoying that I can't like loop through these things because that would be nice. Like unless I want to make an array of them right away, which I suppose I could, but I don't really want to. I don't think that's a great use of my time. You know what I'm saying? Let me try something about this audio though. I think my suspicion is that I probably still have some old drivers that I don't need. Let me see if it'll let me. Yes, I do not have this anymore. Yes, please. Successfully removed. Okay, great. Let me check my audio devices. Because that's the only thing I can imagine it being. Yeah, no, it doesn't have anything else. If that's the case, what could that, okay, let me know if it happens again. I just uninstalled the old stuff. So here's what I might have to do. I'm gonna kind of hate it. But what I think I have to do is, I guess, make... Alright, can I even make an array? Can I, like, what is this? This is an image object reference. That's an image object. I guess they're all images. So I can probably do that. Like, I can just make an array. Or I just can't get the canvas, which I think is fine, right? Right, so get that. Or wait. Hold on. Oh, okay. 1, 2, I guess I have 4 right now. Yeah. Now I need the name of this one because I like this one. Lemon Switchel? What the fuck? What kind of name is that? That's the button. I don't need the border actually. I need edit. need the shelf. And I need the color drop. Can I make a map? I can make map. Because I'm wondering if it would just be easier to find, like, just to map these. Because then I can just get display name. Or, no. I guess this would just output my widget clicked, so maybe I don't need to. So, let's try these for now. I know, you're gonna get mad. So, okay, great. Instead... No, I think I do want a map. Because I think what I have to do in here is check which widget is clicked. So I have to for each. For each. And set this, right? For each. I guess these would all be unique, but the names would also be unique. Maybe it makes sense to make a map. I would do key. Or, hold on. I guess this would be the value, because what I want is the key. Key's probably easier to loop through. Yeah, maybe. See, but I can very easily get the display name from it, so I don't think I need a map. No, you're not gonna let me delete that? You're gonna be stupid? Yep, you're gonna be stupid. I know, shut up. Promote to variable, call this widget, image, array. So then this would be, I would get widget image array. And I would have to grab these. Yeah, I'd have to do like that. I guess I would do a for each with break. Can I do that in a function? Yeah, I can. For each with break. Or then I do all this math. But I think first I need to check if it's visible. I guess get visibility, or no, get, what am I setting? Oh, I haven't decided. Render opacity? Is that what we decided worked? I don't remember. Oh, I don't think I did any of it. Okay, great. Yeah, because I decided to play the animation. Okay. So I guess render opacity would make the most sense. Get render opacity equal... Right, if that's 0, meaning it's hidden, then I need you to not do anything. And continue. Which I think makes sense. Like, that would just return. So if... shit. If false. Yeah. Check if it's visible. If it's... Well, I guess I could check if it's visible this way. Because then that just makes it true. Right? If hidden, then don't do anything. If it is visible, then check if it's within the bounding box. If it is, then set it to clicked. Yeah, okay. Set it to clicked. Where I would break this link. And from here you do completed, right? If it is, okay. If false, then we would also set widget click to none. Or, yeah, because it would only not set it to that if... if... oh. So I want it above that. Yeah, okay, and then it would output the name. The display name of the widget, which I suppose, I guess we'll leave it as a name, that's fine. I know you're mad. Okay. So then it should output it. Clicked widget. So that's your clicked widget. So then I would switch on name. And this is where I would get the names of things. Or, yeah, wait a sec. Oh no, that's fine. I guess I could do clicked widget. Yeah. Because these are like a pair, I guess. So I think I would do a local variable. And shit. I would rename this widget clicked name. This would be widget clicked. Whoop. Which would be an image. What is it called? Image. Okay, it is just an image. Image object reference. Set. Set that to be our widget. Great. So we'll get our widget clicked. And if not, then this is none. Right? None. Great. File saved. Oh, and then I have to output that as well. The object reference, clicked widget name. Click widget. Awesome. So then I just output the both of them, no matter what. So... oh, I see. Because then I can output the clicked widget. That's on... oh, I see, okay. On clicked widget. Because then what would I do? I'd still have to switch on name. I guess I'd switch on name. Because if the name exists in here, Like I'd call it I whatever it's called in here. Right, if I do the button. I edit colors button. Then I guess I would do edit mode. Well, no, because I would, yeah. No, I could do edit mode. Edit mode would be a name. Right? So after that, we would set edit mode to be none. Because we don't have anything selected yet. But here, I would set edit mode just so that my brain is nice. I could call it colors. Set edit mode colors, and then make then I have to make the other widget visible. Which I guess it's render opacity. Set render opacity. Oh, not of the whole thing. To say color or shelf. Set render opacity to 1. Right? Show me that. Well, this would have to be a branch, wouldn't it? Because, yeah, it would have to be. Branch. Because I'd have to get my current edit mode. Get equal. I'd have to say if edit mode is already colors. Right? If edit mode is colors, then I'd basically do the same thing, but in reverse. Where then if I click on it again, then I set it to none. And I set my render opacity to 0. Right? That's what I would do. Case 2. What other options do I have? I guess that could be my clicked widget, right? Fuck it. Well, no, it wouldn't be. It would be this one. Okay. Case 1 would be... What else do I have named? What else can I click on? Can't click on the border. I can click on the button. I see. So I can click on the shelf. I guess this would be the first... this would be the first thing that's visible. So... No, I still want to be able to click colors. Okay. Now this is fine, I think. If we clicked within colors... This is where it gets annoying. Because we have two widgets overlapping each other, where they're both within the same bounding box. So what is this actually going to output? They're both visible, and they both would return true. Like, unless I brute force it and make sure that color drop is before the shelf, which I'm not sure that's the best idea. But on click colors, we would do that. We would, if we click on the shelf, then we would do click colors and grab the XY. If it is the color drop, which I should honestly rename. Right? Call it I edit color. I guess edit shelf colors PNG. Right, great, okay. Yeah, make sure that that's red before that so that it breaks, which is kind of shaky, but whatever. But if we know that that's, yeah, then that would be this. And then we would do this shit, right? I think so. Which means I can get rid of this. What was there? Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, wait, what was this? What? Oh, I see. How did oh, PNG, hold on. There. Try that. So this would only be for colors, right? And then on export or on done, we would turn it all off and play the animation back. Since all of this depends on whether or not my user ID matches, I almost feel like I should just try to package it and see what happens. Because I feel like all of the individual stuff works. Yeah. Right, if it's already colors, then you hide it. Otherwise, show it. If it's there, then click it. Yeah, should we just try it? I think we should just try it. That'd be fun. That'd be fun. Package. It's been a while since I've made a package anyway. New folder. How's the date? 18. Alright. Yeah, put it there, sure. Alright, let me take a sip. Okay. So we'll let that think. And then I'll just have to BRB for a bit. Whenever this is done, of course. It would be really cool to have a package that works. That'd be really neat. Did I kept left alt in there, but I guess I don't care. Yeah. I guess these I would also have to check if edit mode is on. Alright. Well, maybe I should just... That was very... Oh, and is edit mode on. Okay, amazing. I did that. Okay, great. I'm so smart. Alright. Let's hide this. And then I'll have to close the project real quick. Shaboink. let that work. It's magic. Game builds. Because I kind of swapped over from having a bunch of shit in a ton of different folders. I kind of swapped to hopefully just putting it all in like a main build folder. You know, so that I can just save space. We'll see if it works though. We'll see if it gets really mad that I'm doing this. It might. It might. Let me check the interwebs in the meantime. Not much new. Not much new on my interwebs. I forgot that this shit takes forever. But yeah, we'll see how this we'll see if this even works. I think what's annoying is the fact that my streamer bot on this main machine doesn't want to fully connect. Like that's just gonna make testing any of this shit really annoying. Not sure why that is. Meh, whatever. Whatever. Let me take a sip. But yeah, if we get this working, then we can move on to coats, which I think that is going to be a little bit more difficult. Well, actually, let me pull out the notepad on my end, because there's a couple other things that I have to consider as well. I have to consider things to consider. I have to consider that the project is fully closed right now. It will not accept that, but we will be bigger. Must accept. Yeah, because I have to must get coat or yeah current I have to consider things you consider. This is the price you pay for not paying the. I understand. Oh, okay, great. I think we just packaged. Let's see if this will just open. That'd be cool. I'm sure it will just do a little bit of a thinky think at first. Okay, there's that. Rip my FPS, of course. Okay, so I guess I should test this first. Because I can just trigger, I can see if I can trigger edit mode. Click redeem. Well, that didn't seem to do anything. Uh-oh. Let me take a look at my action history. Did that do what I wanted it to? It didn't register that I did it. Wait, do I not have the action over here? Oh, you know what? I totally don't even have the action over here. Fuck. I wonder if I can set that up now. Actions. What did I call it? Twitch. Or wait, no, I had commands. No, it's not commands. Wait, did I just not have anything set up for this? Did I just fully assume that I would do it later? Oh wait, redeem edit. There it is. Do I have redeem edit over here? I don't. I don't. I'm not gonna bother exporting. I'm just gonna do it over here. I don't fucking care. That's under Twitch. Add. Need to make sure the name is right. Twitch. Redeem edit. Okay. And that's on channel reward. Add Twitch channel reward redemption. And that has to be edit mode. Okay. All right, see if that'll do it then. See if it'll just update. Oh, I should probably save. See if that'll do it. Redeem. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, that's super cool. Oh gosh, there's something in my eye. Of course, right when I get this working. Okay. So there's my colors. So Starman, if you're around, can you click on colors? Because it shouldn't accept your clicks, but it should accept mine. We'll see. We'll see if your clicky clicks do anything. Oh my god, something's in my eye. Fuck. Like if you try to click on that colors button, see if it does anything for you. How long will edit mode stay up? I imagine it would. Oh, wait, it is accepting your clicks. Fuck. Wait, and it's not showing the PNG? That's hilarious. If you click on the colors though, does it accept your color input? Oh. Is that accepting your colors, or is it just spouting out random shit? I see you're abusing your your privileges. Fuck. I have it set up so that it'll stay up until whoever redeemed it turns it off. Shit's in my eye. Fuck. Oh, okay, so I can click. Oh yeah. It looks like it's accepting both of our clicks. Which I think... Trying to choose a blue. Oh, well, I will let you click. Go ahead. Is it not letting you? But you're not going to be able to change anything since it's not showing the PNG, which is kind of silly. Broadspod? Hey, wait, I recognize that name. That's, you do the green heat stuff, don't you? Am I thinking the right thing? I'm gonna refresh the stream and try again. Okay, cool. In the meantime, I will... Ooh, actually, let me try something else. I want to see if this... Does this stay on if I go uppies? It should. It doesn't. Fuck. That's so annoying. Okay, wait, why? Alright. That's silly. Okay. That definitely has to do with the way I'm compositing this shit. Alright, whatever. So many UE people hopping on, it's good to see. What do the colors do? Right now, literally nothing because I forgot to unhide. I forgot to unhide the thing that it's supposed to show. I need the PNG. PNG. But yeah, in theory, you'll be able to click on oh wait, render, set opacity, yeah, to 0 versus to 1. Okay, so then hopefully I'll package that and it'll work. Right, because then we'll set that to 1 and it'll look great and everything will be good. It also isn't running the does ID match, which is strange. I mean, I guess it's fine if you click it for now. But I'm not sure why that doesn't want to work. Probably confusing things. Well, here, hold on. Let me test this. If I say done, exclamation point done, then it should go away. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, because I didn't set that up. Hold on. Oh my god. There was more streamer bot stuff that I forgot to move over. I need command done. I'm such a goober. Working between two different machines for it, like, I know there's a way that you can import export, and that works fine. But I'm lazy. I am lazy. Okay, so that should go. Alright, fine. We'll reorganize this. Add trigger. Twitch command, or wait, no, it's in here. Core command triggered. Well, I didn't even make a command yet. There we go. Create a command. Why am I being such a goober? Okay. Let me try it now. If I press save. Because hopefully if I do done or export, then it'll go away. Done. Okay, great. I need to force hide that if that's still open. Okay, that's kind of cool though. I guess I just need to loop through each of these and hide them. Can't see it. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't even know what you're seeing. I don't even know what you're seeing. I guess maybe for here I'll for each through my images. And I guess render opacity to 0. Save. Okay, let's try to give that a package. Let's see if that works. Shaboink. Okay. And they've been packaging pretty quickly, so that's cool. Yippee. Okay. Great. So what I need to consider is I have to get the current visuals to set up edit mode, whether that's colors, colors, coats, or props. I need to set those up. Yeah, prod spot. I wish that you were here when this was fully working, but it probably won't be fully working for a while. Okay, so how's about we hide my shit? Yeah, that's fine. Hide my shit. Because I have to close this. Wink. Okay. Wink. Oh, I'm dropping some frames. Boo! I should expect this by now. Copy here. Alright, stand by. In the meantime, though... Oh, wait. Yeah, in the meantime, we can just be without me. And I'll have to check... Yeah, check if the ID... If the user ID... Like, the one who clicked, if that ID is the same as who redeemed it, and check if edit mode is on. If edit mode on is true, and these match, then continue. I think does this actually work? Like if I say false? Or do I have to branch outside of the function? Like, instead of doing a branch here, do I have to output this true false out of the return? And then every time I use this, do a branch? I don't think that makes sense, does it? I don't know if that makes sense. I can do something like this in a function, right? Like, does this work, or will it return no matter what? Like, will this actually stop running the code if this returns false? Or do I have to output this to here and do the branch outside of it? I don't think I have to. It'll always return. Annoying. Annoying. I guess that makes sense, though. Oh, can I not just make a pin? Okay. I guess that makes sense. Because it will always return. It won't just not do anything. So then maybe... So check that. Oh, I don't know what that was. Right? Like if true, then continue. Right? I think so. A function is contained code, so it'll run, then do whatever's next. Robot noodle motherfucker. God damn it. I wonder... That's so annoying. I truly don't know why it would do this to me. Whatever. And it fixed itself? Great. It just decides to go kaput. Go kaput. Okay. So that transferred over. So... Oh. Before I forget, I also have to say... why no... check. I have to check the spout composite to make sure that it actually works in this view. Schrodinger's mic. Indeed. Indeed. It's annoying. Okay. Let's click on this. So I already know a couple things won't work, but I want to see if the thing that we fixed works. Ta-da! What did we fix? I don't even fucking remember. What did... Oh, right. I need to say... Need to turn on edit mode. Right? Say edit. And then if I go click on colors... Great. I love seeing the delay. It's quite funny. So if I pick purple and I pick my eyeball. Oh, it clicked on my nose. I see. It's a little finicky. With the oh, I see. It's... Oh, wait. It's quite finicky. What the fuck? Oh, okay. So maybe something's wrong with my colors. Oh, oh dear. So wait. Yeah, well here's... It's probably accepting other people's colors right now. Strange. Okay, yeah, I definitely have these colors confused. Right? Like if I make for wait. Someone's clicking on shit. Okay. I'll let someone else play with it. Have fun. You can't bring up Schrodinger in front of cats. They still haven't forgiven him for declaring that both is and isn't. Yeah, that's correct. Hi, Sidelime. For fun though, if I hide this? Oh yeah, my UI does go away. Okay, great. Okay, well, while I take a peek at some of this other stuff, I really want to get the composite working. So maybe I'll leave this view up if someone wants to click on stuff and edit things. By all means, if you have it working, do it. And tell me tell me if it's a little jank. Tell me what's jank, please. Because otherwise I need to go into here, because I need to combine the alphas, I'm sure. Yeah. Oh, I see. I'm doing like some sort of weird ad bullshit. You have to click a color and then the bit you want to change. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So you'll click the color, that'll change your air quotes brush color, and then you click on the PNG up top to pick what you wanna change. Taking a sip. Fighting over keeping the colors up? Yeah, sorry. In theory, in the next build, it will be the person who enabled edit mode who will be able to click. Yeah, this doesn't sound optimal. Can I add many things? Add component? No. Because there's gotta be a better way to kind of combine these. Then my alpha is also included here. I think, right? Let's try it. This I can test over here, I think. See, and this won't update either. That's what I need. I need for it to update when you do a preset or an update like that. Well, I also need to disable presets and whatnot. Let me write that down. I need to disable these commands while we're in edit mode. Or at least for everyone but editor. Because I truly want the floor to be whoever. Hell yeah. Legit though. Who made me just orange? That's funny. Okay. Oh yeah, this I can test over here. So I have OBS up. What is it? Do I still have left alt to turn it on? I do. Incredible. Okay, great. If over here I go up, please? Oh, awesome. Okay, that's exactly what I need. I know you can't see it, but I can. Okay. So while we work on that, I'll get a new package out and we'll test over there. Maybe someone was clicked through all the color. Yeah, maybe. You get crazy 5 seconds. Yeah, we're all just. I love giving people the ability to just click on a bunch of random shit. People super abuse it. It's kind of fun. Okay. What I also would want to consider for later is... Ooh, actually, let's try this. If I say done, then it should go away. There we go. Goodbye. Okay, so if someone wants to... if someone wants to redeem edit mode and keep clicking, have fun. Otherwise, we'll wait until this package is done before... Oh, package is done. Yippee. So yeah, the composite works. Need to disable the commands. Bit of a sharp corner in the back. Oh yeah, I disabled nanite, and I think that went gross. I don't know how to fix that though. Alright. Oh, I see. I did not. Okay. Let me repackage because I did not tell it to come back. Edit mode. Yeah, so I need to make sure. Oh, fuck. I don't want to show them all. Oh. Okay, this is gonna be a little annoying, actually. Maybe I just need... I don't need to loop through everything. I just need to make sure that the shelf is hidden, right? For now, yeah, for now we'll just leave it as the shelf. Where the fuck that went? Alright, whatever. Yeah, because that is super broken. I would like people to continue to be able to edit. Edit shelf colors. Yeah, we'll hide that, but everything else can stay visible. Okay, that. And that. And compile save. And package. Yeah, get rid of that. Repackage. It's very cool. I'll be adding you to, or adding me to, huh? A what? I gotta say though, this has been so cool to work with. I also do want to use the hover functionality so that I can actually track the cursor of whoever is editing so that they could see whatever delay they're having. I think that would be super helpful. Like that would, I think that would be super sick. Which I should actually write that down. Show hover for editor. It's like a showcase page. Oh shit. Oh, that's super cool. I love how, I think it just spread like wildfire, honestly. I think Lochno told me about it, and then I started using it, and then Fruitsy started using it, and then like I think it's just going through the Unreal VTuber space, which is pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna close this for now, and we'll get this other thing. Oh, I guess I should hide my screen. I'll get this other thing going. So then fingers crossed this will work, and then we can do some customization. Okay. Let transfer. I like the Lochno zone. I also like the Lochno zone. That shit slaps. Yeah, I think they popped in my stream and mentioned green heat because it was, I guess the main benefit that I saw to my stream was being able to use it on mobile, but I haven't gotten that to work yet. And maybe it's just because I'm like on the app and not the web version or something. Like whenever I tap on the mobile, it just like pulls up the Twitch HUD of whether or not I want to pause. So I haven't gotten it to work there yet, but honestly for debug, that would be amazing to just have it on my phone. Wait, you've been clicking on mobile? Wait a second. Is that... I believe you, but is that on the mobile app or is that on the web? Because if it's on the mobile app, then I can test it too. And I don't have to have it open on a machine. Or maybe I have to enable it? Okay, I granted permission. Yeah, I super believe you, but for whatever reason on my app, it just pulls up the thing. It's not on the screen. Twitch is stricter with mobile, so there's a separate panel for them. Oh, there's a separate... Oh, there's a separate overlay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay. That makes so much sense. I see. So it might be a little bit more difficult. You can make an upload and overlay image to let mobile people know where things are. Ooh. I wonder. Is there any way? Maybe not. Wait. Did this just change aspect ratio? Am I stupid? No, it didn't, right? Why did this shit change aspect ratio on me? So I'm down to updating a converter before I'm back to straight. Whoa! That's super cool! Alright, is this almost done? Oh, it is done. Okay, great. Let's see if that opens. I wonder if I could, like, upload a different overlay image. Like, as we change... Maybe I can't. I don't know. I don't know if what I'm saying makes any sense. Yeah, wait. My shit's squished. In my OBS. Why you squished? Alright, whatever. Okay. Let's try this. I am going to redeem edit mode. Come on now. So if I redeem edit mode, I get my colors, right? Looks okay here? Okay, good. It just looks a little fucky on my end. So if somebody else wants to try to click on colors, because in theory it should only accept my clicks now. Control click. Yeah, absolutely, if you could. You might have to tell people to pull their green heat panel down and update and refresh, but it should auto-update with a config. Ooh. Okay, interesting. I wonder how I'd upload that. Let me search that. Search that. Show hover for editor. Update. Nope. Update. Green heat overlay image. Update green heat overlay image on UI change. Yeah, okay. Because if that could work for mobile folks, that would be amazing. Much clicking, no effect. Okay, great. If I click... It's just me. Okay. So let me make sure this works. Also, let me make sure that if we go uppies... No uppies? Oh, it's... fucking thing. My controller doesn't want to pair. Dumb thing keeps disabling. Come on. You can do it. In the meantime, can I do clickies? I click, and I click. And well, I guess this is kind of small for this is kind of a small UI for a mobile user. Prod is the green heat. Yes! Yes, Prod Spot is here. Fucking legendary. I do think I have some of these colors reversed, though. Yeah, I think I have the... Let me write that down. Swap. Color, I guess A and C? Yeah, because I think those are flipped. So then if I say... Yeah, Dev's in chat for real. Oh, yeah, that's probably the widget. No, fucking legend in here. Okay, so if I say I'm done, then all that should go away. Aw, I forgot. All right. Oopsie. Anyway. Yeah, no, seriously, very well done. So, the other thing I have to do is hide PNG. That's so silly. I've been looking at what you and Fruits have been doing and have been wanting to set things up for myself. Yes, do it. It's super fun. It's super fun. Oh, hold on. I should also hide widget, blueprint. Fruitsy's in the zone too. Yes! I know Fruitsy's been working with it. Okay, so if anyone else wants to do edit mode, you can just redeem it in, what's it called? Redeem it in Twitch and then you can do the clickies, if you so choose. Otherwise, oh wait, yeah, this is what I was gonna test. We're back. I've been tracking there too, so many fun people here. Agreed. Agreed! Alright, so if I hop up here, okay, great. That works. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do edit mode again myself, so I can make sure that this actually shows up. What happens with a double redeem? Honestly, apparently nothing, because I just tried to redeem it again. And it just didn't do shit, so whoopsie. Do VTubers flock to each other like moths to a fly? Yeah, honestly. Honestly. Yeah, went kaput. Why went kaput? Yeah, because I set edit mode to be off. And I cleared that. So if you redeem it again, then it should turn it back on and it should come back. Yes, Gio, go sleep. Go sleep. I also need PG. Can I put them both in there? Yes, I can. Amazing. I'd lurk a second. Gotta share. Ooh, brownies. I hope you brought enough to share with the class. Okay, strange though that it doesn't want to let me redeem this again. It doesn't want to let anyone redeem it again. Because it should just come back. Is it calling the streamer bot thing? Yeah, it is. Interesting. Why no? Play edit mode start. Edit mode is none, right? That should just bring it back up. You check which widget is clicked. Yeah, so what's going on here? Start time 0. It's just not even playing. That's weird. On redeem edit. Because it called the first time. Right? Hold on. Okay, so that's me. I got uppies. So, yeah, because this doesn't check for anything else. It should just bind it to my edit. Right, and if we export, then we export. If not, then we should just turn everything off and set it back, right? Just play that in reverse. Okay. Try this again. Redeem. Nope, that's a preset. Gosh, it's really mad at me right now. Uh-oh. What are you mad at? Yeah, hey, wait a minute. Weren't you just working? What the heck is fucking in? Come back. Maybe I'll do it on mobile. Right? And I redeem this. Oh, well that time it worked. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's annoying. Okay. So if I go back to my stream and I do a click, I need to see it in the stream, please. And I say red, and I say you, and I say blue, and I say you, and I say purple, and I say you. Great. Okay. I press colors to get rid of it, and I click it again. And then I say done. And it should go away. Except for that, obviously. But then... Fuck off. Sorry, it's a pop-up. I'm yelling at my screen. No, I don't want power-ups and rewards. Let me... No! Whatever, okay. So if I redeem it again... And it does come back. How did that break? Unless maybe it disconnected from... what's it called? Hey, who's clicking? Oh, I see. You also redeemed edit mode. Okay, yeah, have fun. So I think then what I have to do... Or here, let's go up. I think what I have to do is I have to check if edit mode is already enabled. Because if edit mode is enabled, then we have to disallow this. And what I would like to do is, how do I control what part gets the color? You click on the little PNG up top. That should do it. And what's currently red and what's currently blue are swapped right now. Which actually, let me fix that before I do anything else. That's down here, right? Which is strange because I thought body color A, or maybe I have it messed up in my material. Yeah, because what's red should be back here. And this does say body color A. Oh, I see. I flipped them here. Because I think if it's greater than that, then it has to go here. Or wait, no, that doesn't make sense. What? Because it looks right here. I'm super confused. How do we control... Oh. Wait, is it not working? Do tell, do tell. The color A should be bright red. Which should be that. Is it not? That's strange. Clicking right eye is coloring the note. Oh, okay. I have a couple things mixed up then. Right eye is coloring the note. Oh. Oh my god. I forgot that it's BGR and not RGB. There we go. That should do it. So it's getting the blues and the reds confused. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, by fine, I mean it will be fine. Okay. Great. What else do I have? SWAT. Yeah, so I did that. Oh, that does cover some stuff. Okay, so I did that. Great. Disable comments or comment comments, commands that I should do later. Hover would be cool. Hide PNG I did. Oh, and I have to hide the widget because it just exists right now in the middle of nowhere. Where is it? Wait, where is it? Oh, it's not Green Heat Manager. Where is it? It's like edit mode something. There it is. Edit preset mode. Oh, yeah. And clicking right pupil. I think that makes... Not that it makes sense. Clicking the pupil colors them... Yes. Wait, no it doesn't. Wait, right pupil? Or left pupil? Because if it's the red one here, then that makes sense. If it's the green one, then it does not make sense. Am I right? Like as I'm looking at it? Or wait. Hold on. Is it the red one or the green one? If it's red, that makes sense to me. If it's blue, then I have no idea why it's doing that. I'm really bad with my left and right. Okay, then that makes sense. It's confusing everything over here. Which I will repackage for once I move this.
Grape.
Have grape. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for grape. Got lovely grapes. Whoops, that was really loud. Okay. There it is. Joink. Just hide it for now. Mm-hmm. Where am I going? I need this. Okay. Disable commands. Oh, hide widget blueprint I just did. Okay, cool. Save. Let's package this again so that we make sure everything is actually working. Okay, there we go. Moon from edit mode, fuck yeah. But you got a jet black color? You don't. You don't. I just have the color swatches that are available here right now. I'm thinking that you can use commands to change your brush color here. What do you have? What is that? Oh, the samples.
Did she give me another one?
There's two. I don't know. Well, I don't need this on my desk. I need this on my desk. Right eye is not the same. Oh, I see. Oh. Yeah, wait, why is that? I don't know. Because it's also not... Oh, wait. No, it makes sense it's not showing in the thing. Let me close this for now. What? Hold on, let me get something going first. Yeah. I just need to get these files transferred. Okay, copy here. Okay, great. What's up? What you got? Oh, a smell? A sniffer? Oh my. Is it smelly? A little bit. Why does it look like a stick of gum? You got... No. I don't think... Wait. Maybe? Fresh cut soap. We went to like a soap and bath store. It's very nice. Hmm? Oh boy. No.
Well, you ate your grapes.
I'm trying. My God. My gosh. Okay, great. Hmm. Okay, that's still transferring. This is cool. But yeah, hopefully having like a dedicated edit mode will also help with like, you know, two people trying to make edits at the same time. And from there, if you do an export, if you exclamation point export, then it will also end edit mode. And will save your progress, which I think is kind of neat. Well, in theory. I haven't tried it yet. And then that way you can redeem it later as a preset. Okay. Looks like I went through. Let's open this again. Also, these like color swatches. Oh my gosh. These color swatches are not permanent. Like they're not they're very placeholder. So if they don't cover what we think a common set of colors would be, then we can change them. Okay. FPS. Super mad. But let me do my edit mode. Really? Did I fuck that up? That was accepted as an action, right? Yes. Did I do the opposite of what I wanted to do? I might have. Hold on. I need to check if edit mode is on. Yeah. So by default it's false. Great. So then why didn't this work? It worked when I was on the phone. Why doesn't it want to enable here? Is it because I have this open? It might be that. That's super annoying. That might be tanking my performance overall though. Stupid. Yeah, wait, what the fuck? Can I do it over here? No. Okay, why does this only sometimes want to work? Can I do any of my other redeems? And by any of my other, I mean the other one? Yeah, it accepts that one. But not edit? Come on now. Wow, okay, that's annoying. What's with that? What's with that? Oh, wait, I think I know what's with that. Hold on a second. Oh, wait, no, I don't. What? Because it's not an issue with the streamer bot connection. Does left alt still work? Nope. I turned that off. Yippee. Fuck. Okay. What did I do? did I do? The hell? Because it's not an issue of where I'm at, right? It's gotta be some bullshit code and stuff. Yeah, wait a second. Can I see the output? I would love to see the log. Ugh. Okay. A little bit annoying that I can't fully test. Oh, you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, shit. Oh. Is it, maybe it is. Maybe we're trying to access things here that we shouldn't be. Or, as in, like maybe I'm trying to call this before it exists, because I do have a delay on it. So... I guess maybe... I guess... Like this should go up... Oh, fuck. I guess this should go up front, and this should happen last. That's a little annoying to have to repackage for that, but we'll try it. Package. Okay. I would love to get a hover event too. Let me start on that, because that is just a green heat manager. Because I will... Oh, okay, so this is call on click received. But I think what I need to do is get field. Wait, where are the docs? Where are the docs? Oh, hold on. Shaboink. Got to reset me. Move this stuff over. And I keep deleting over the network like a moron. Okay. Copy. Okay, let that copy and we'll watch. Oh yeah, I need to pull up the green heat docs. Green heat. Oh yeah, look, prod. Tutorial? Oh, my eyes. Oh, it has a Sammy thing too. This is what I need. Type. I need to get the type. That's what it's called, right? Type, yes. Type. As string. And then I need a switch on string. So decode, switch on string. Right, so if it is, what are a couple examples? Okay, I got click, awesome. Click, so on click. then do that. But on hover, then I guess I would need on green heat. Heat hover. Because then I guess I would get. Wait a second. This is almost done transferring over. On hover received. I would also need my X and Y. X. Y. And the ID. Oops. And string. ID. I would have to call that. For X, Y, ID. Okay. And we'll take a peek at that. I think either on connection error or on close, I will also like delay and then try to connect again. Okay. That's done transferring. Double clickies. Okay, so I need to make sure that it actually loads in. It loads something. Okay. Yeah, I think maybe it just doesn't load in right away. I'm gonna assume that that's the issue. Like it's just an order of operations issue. Like hopefully this works. Are you for real? Okay. What if I do this? Say done. I'm wondering if it's an OBS issue. No. Fuck. What did I do? I broke something. Oh gosh, okay. What did I do? On redeem. Why did you break it? I was just so mad, you know? I was just so mad. Hi Garcon, how are you? Yeah, it should be. Hold on, we can go up for this so that we can see better. Good reason. Yeah, it should just play. Are you mad? Oh wait, no. Procrastinating because I have to make UI art and I'm bad at UI and art. Yo, me too. Me too. Okay, so interesting. Do I have to? I don't think I have to force these things visible, do I? I don't think so, because these two should stay visible no matter what, right? Yeah, I'm tweaking the shelf and the PNG. Everything else should stay visible. What the fuck? Weird. Were you not just working? Is edit mode on? Right? If it is on, then don't trigger. Surely, right? Right? I don't know. That's where it started breaking, so... Right? And it's sending the edit mode. Yeah. Sending it from StreamerBot. Sorry, I'm eating grapes. Yeah, and I'm getting the widget. And yeah, casting to that. Yeah, so then what the hell? It's doing all this stuff. And then at the very end, it should be grabbing this stuff for StreamerBot. On. Can I... Yeah, can I have that, please? Log should work and compiled, and should work compiled in development mode, shipping mode. It should not. How to use beat, use logging in ship. What? How do I show it? Right click on the exe, create a shortcut, open its. Oh god. Write log at the end of the target field. This is the command line argument that tells the engine to open additional log window. Oh, great. Okay. I'd love that. I already have a shortcut. Properties? I usually use these arguments when testing. Okay. I definitely need... Wait. Target field? What are you talking about? Does this have to be like an advanced? No. General? No. What is this? What are you talking about? General. Open its properties and write log at the end of the target field. What target field? I would love to do this, but what does that mean? I'm not seeing any of these. Type, size, attributes? No. How do I edit the target? Yeah. You can edit the destination of a shortcut. Blah, 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 blah. Hold on. I fucked this up. Hold on. Right click. Properties. Yeah. Oh, there's the target. Oh, at the very end of target. Log. Apply. Okay. Alright, let me close this real quick. See if it'll open the log window? That'd be cool. Oh yeah, it does. Very cool. Actually love that. Okay, great. And now I can take a peek at what is the issue tissue. So if I view this, while I do edit mode, submit. No? It's not like the actual output log? Oh my god. Oh wait, okay, there's some bullshit here. Spawn actor failed. Oh, okay, edit presets mode. Oh. Access none trying to read. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh. It's not getting the streamer bot connection. That would totally fucking do it. Streamer bot connection shareable, which I think is already there. And it's in here, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, okay, so it's accessing none when trying to get that. Which is strange, because it's happening at the very end of everything? Get actor of class. Streamer bot. Yeah, okay. That plugs in just fine. Weird. Weird, weird, weird. That's definitely the issue, though. Why? Like, do I literally need a delay? Delay for like a second? Maybe. It seems a little weird, but sure. Oh, I don't know why I closed that. I gotta fucking sneeze. So yeah, definitely an Unreal problem. Let's try to package that again. Beep. Anyway, we can show this. Yeah, but we can also maybe receive the hover stuff. This is such a spaghetti mess. Put that up here because I'm not sure if it works. Oh, wait. Is it because I'm not... No. Because that would mean nothing would work. Either way, I don't need this. I'm not gonna compile until it's done packaging. Spaghetti's the best kind of code. Some would disagree with you. And by some, I think I mean most. You know, I set out to like make this new version of the project and I was like, it's gonna be perfect. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna finish or like save and compile until it's clean and beautiful. And then that never happened. Oh boy. Okay. But in the meantime, I can, because I already have the green heat manager, so I can say, or I guess I can grab green heat, green heat manager. God, what a spaghetti codetti mess. Or like truly, I think all of this needs to move. Spaghetti. Oh, fucking fuck. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Over there. Right? Because then I can actually line this up in a way that makes some goddamn sense. And then I can move this down. Because that's all the ending stuff. Okay, yeah. Green heat manager. I can say hover. Bind event to hover. Shaboink. I can say on hover. Ah, fuck. Custom event. On hover. Yeah, so on hover. Ooh. On hover. What do I want to do on hover? I need to say does editor match. Oops. Does ID match? Yeah, like, because I don't want it to do anything unless you're the editor. But if it does, then maybe you can like spawn a dot for a second. Oh, hold on. That packaged. 1 second. Ooh, am I robot-y? I just watched the capture card glitch. I'm wondering if that's what's doing it. Might be. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Oh, and it still loads the log. Oh, that's awesome. Wait, aw. Still did it. Dang, hold on. Fuck, stop doing that. Stop moving. Access none trying to read. Ah. Access none trying to read property, blueprint, streamer bot manager. In there. Oh, that's annoying. What the fuck? Wait. So then, why does some of the presets work and some of them don't? Yeah, wait a second. Right, because then this shouldn't work. And I am correct, that doesn't work. Right? Because it's showing up in my history. Yep. Okay, well, what am I doing in my other blueprints that make this work? Oh, wait a second. Oh, am I being silly? I don't think so. Am I being silly? Where else am I referring to streamer bot? Oh, it's gotta be, oh. Heck, streamer bot should definitely be up here. Okay, I think it's just the order of things that I'm fucking up. Because I'm sure somebody's trying to... Okay, how about we call all of our stuff at the same time? Or like set up our references to other actors at the same time? Need to do that for the green heat manager too, I suppose. Yeah. What if we do that linearly instead? Or like even... Oh, fuck. I have to do a lot of grab... Oh, it's the order of operations. Okay. Because then it checks green heat. But I'm sure that's like trying... Or that might be... Oh... Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. Oh, I see. It was trying to set it, or like bind these, so it was really mad. Okay. I feel like these should... I should force that to happen after we do that. Break this link. Which means that if I put this up front and I put... Then this should force it, right? I think so. Because then we make sure that nothing references streamer bot until it needs to. Right? Because in theory that would have been caught in my logs over here. Oh my god, so much log. Spawn actor failed because no classes, but okay, I don't care about that. Okay, well I'm not seeing an error right now, so that's cool. Maybe we'll package that and see what happens? I don't know. Considering StreamerBot doesn't want to fucking work on both machines at once. Edge. Select. Alright, well. Gotta eat more grapes. Oh, and I've been in this view the whole time. I'm sorry. Whoopsie. Okay. Hopefully this package will be quick. Okay. That's packaged. I'm gonna close this. And we will move it over. Alright, we're close. Because it's opening another program. No, it's not. Try again. What? It says that it's opening another program. It's literally not. It's a DAT file? Epic Web Helper? Well, go away, Epic Web Helper. Yeah, I don't need you. Okay. Oh, uh-oh. Wait, what happened? Oh, my shit stopped charging. Okay, great. Love that. Sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't. Kind of annoyed by it. Okay, please. It would be really cool if this worked. Please, please, please. It would be cool and fun if it worked. See, what I also want to check, though, and I guess I could show this. Maybe. I guess you're not allowed to see it. I want to see... No, actually, you probably shouldn't see it. I want to check my extensions. Because I want to see... Oh, it does read a local file. Oh, the overlap reads a local file. Which probably means that I can take the render target that I'm outputting and save that as a file on like an updated UI so that somebody can see what I'm doing. Because you can just get the widget as a render target and you can get that to work, which would be pretty cool. I'll write that down. Right to... Or wait, does it upload? See if you can write to file on disk. Hi, dead son. Loops. Loops indeed. How are you? Oh, okay. Let's open this. Please, pretty please work. That would be super duper cool. That would be super neat. Super sweet. Okay. Not seeing... I'm not seeing that anything broke in the log for now. I'm getting a warning, but I don't care about that. Okay, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Okay, well, I'm not seeing the same issue I was seeing before. So, if I try to redeem edit mode... it still didn't work. That's really neat. Fuck. Wait, why? Or wait, shit. No. That doesn't. Because I would see it in OBS. Ah. Gah. Yeah, wait, what the fuck? Dead's on my shit's broken. Meh. Okay. Because I think I can move all that here. Yeah, wait. Hold on, where's my log? Something else has got to be wrong then. I don't care about that. Ugh. Girl, this was working. You remember the good old days when this was working? I don't. I don't. Whoopsie. Ah. I hate when this happens. Okay. Just head back down for now since I'm having to repackage this shit all the time. Yeah, because I'm doing all the streamer bot stuff. So why am I doing it at the very end? Doing the green heat stuff. Yeah, but I'm sure I haven't... No, that doesn't make any sense. Do I seriously just need to click print? Do I seriously have to print string and then repackage this? That's super annoying because I can't do it on this machine. Or wait, actually, let me try something. Because if I'm not doing much on this machine, I can close out of it for now and see if it'll connect over here. Or shit, yeah, yes. Streamer bot. Because I'm wondering if it just doesn't want to connect on two different machines. It'd be a little stupid, but... Doesn't want to do it over here. Maybe I just need to update it? Let's see. What? Oh, what a baby. She's being an Uber baby. Alright. Try authorizing again. Okay. That being the case, I'm gonna go up and I'm going to hide. So that I can log in. Oh, my eyes. Okay. Great. Logged in. It's trying to connect to the other thing. What the fuck? Why won't you connect? Oh, okay, it's connected. Great. So, I'd love, if this would work. That'd be super cool. Or I guess, hold on. Oh wait, no, my shit's broken. I forgot. So green heat's connected. If I try to do edit mode. Okay, so we're receiving the click. It's doing the thing, but it's not showing my widget. What did I do? This poor code. Can you make the little PNG you drew in edit mode and emote? Well, I want to make it cuter, but sure. Oh, wait, what the hell? Set edit mode to none. I see. Oh, no, because we already have that. And it is casting. Can I print this, like, display name? See if it's getting that? Because I don't really see any other reason why I wouldn't want to... Why it wouldn't want to do a thing. Edit mode? Okay, great. It sees it. It's working. But you are not doing what I want you to do. Like, does this have to be on screen? Is that the issue? I don't, because I feel like that was the only problem before. Or the only thing I changed, really. Or I just didn't maybe want to update while it while the widget itself didn't exist on screen. Is that it? Oh my god. We encountered a network issue. Oh no. Fix yourself. Okay, yeah, that was totally the issue. Boo. Okay, great. That's so strange though. Why? I know it has to exist somewhere, but nope, not that. Like, can I like force an update of some— oh shit. I'm clicking all the wrong things. Can I like force this to update even if it's not in view? Because I think that's a little stupid. Yeah, visible. I thought as long as it was visible, then it should render. Maybe hidden in scene capture? Because then you just won't see it. I think, maybe. Hold on, yeah, if I do edit mode now. So, okay, yeah. That actually kind of works. But my only question or issue is that if I go up, whoops, if I go up, not that. If I go up and edit mode up here, does it really have to be within view? That's so annoying. Because I thought UE5 render widget and not in view. How to hide a widget behind objects. You should set your render space to world instead of screen. Try to make an actor blueprint with a widget so you can place it anywhere while still setting the render space to world. I thought I already did that though. Why not? The whole thing. Am I stupid? Tick frequency. No. Where is this? Oh wait, it's probably in here. It is in world space. Blah. Blah. That's under UI, or user interface, world space, real time, redraw, draw desired size. What the fuck? Will never be until visibility is set to true. In that case, you don't achieve the result as the image shown. You can just hide it or unhide it. Yeah, it looks like it. Render space at the world, then with a line trace, I decide to show or hide now. You could get the world location of the widget and then line trace. No. Wait, yeah, is it just setting itself to I'm just confused as to why it's not rendering if it's not in frame. Always render. What's that? Oh, I did forget. I appreciate it. Okay. Because of what I don't, well, maybe I can, but what I don't super want to do. Yeah. 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 But yeah, what I don't want to do. I don't want to have to attach this to anything. But I might have to. The widget is rendered in the world as a mesh, can be included by any other mesh in the world. Widget is where. Fuck. The widget is rendered in the screen completely outside the world, never included. Never included? I like never included. What if I try that? Oh. Nay. Do not do that. That breaks everything. Right? Yeah, that totally breaks everything. Okay. Edit the world. Use the validations only valid in world space and screen space. What does that mean? Widget is updated by the viewport owner. Aye. Wait, tick went off screen? Yeah. I think. Maybe. Right? I would just test that by going up and redeeming this. And see if that did it. Oh, it did. Okay, great. I think that's what I need then. Okay. Try to package that. Fucking hell, okay. And then while that's packaging, I'll fucking unplug and replug my bullshit. Select. Apologies for the back and forth packaging on this one. Okay. Delete. Great. Let that package, and then when I go between the main one, or between this machine and the other machine, then we'll be good and fine. Then maybe I will be done. It is. We did just hit 3 hours, so. Okay. Copy here. I will be but a moment. I have to unplug my shit and replug my shit. Okay. Almost there, I think. By almost there, I mean not. Why is it taking so long? Maybe it's always doing that. Alright. Then once this is good, we can start working through our list. Let me check if... Wait, where'd my streamer bot go? Wait, oh, fuck. I gotta close it over here. I forgot it connects to my OBS as well. Whoopsie. Hey, you're not supposed to be up there. You're super not supposed to be up there. Wait, wait, wait. Bad habits, little miss. Bad habits. That's connected. We can see this. Yippee. Oh, hi. Okay. Yeah, so... Gee, what was that? I just heard something. What the hell? I don't know what happened, but it kind of sounded like my old, like, follow sound. If that's what happened, I appreciate you. I forgot that I turned off all my shit for that. And I need to reset it up. Okay, ooh, yippee, we're back. Okay. Let's load this. Let's hide this for now. Alright, fingers crossed. Let's fucking go. Please. Okay, I'm not seeing anything major. Okay, so let's try this one more time. I enable edit mode. Submit. Awesome. That shows up. Maybe for the full stream delay experience, I'll do it over here. If it'll let me. I better fucking stay muted. Okay, great. Click. Okay. Yeah, so now I get stream delay, which is really interesting. Okay. Let's test all of these. Let's do like a pink here. Okay. A dark red here. Okay. I can see it without the stream delay when I look over there. Green on the eye. Blue on the pupil. This is gonna look horrifying. Purple on this eye. Yellow in the center. With gray. And what color have I not used? Blue? Or no, these are kind of shit blues. I think maybe I need a better selection of blues. And then a mustard yellow for the mouth. Maybe? Does that work? It looks like it worked. Okay, great. Yeah, I'm just wondering if these aren't the best colors for me to pick. That's 50% more than we get in Mario Paint. Fair enough. Fair enough. Cool. So then I should be able to say done. That should go away. Okay, great. Yeah. If someone else wants to fuck with colors, by all means. Because I think that's working. I think if we go... Oh, fuck. I keep letting my controller die. If we go back... if we go back to my notes... this I think is a must. Like, I super need that. Ooh. I dip a dots. You know how this works? I definitely need to get the current visuals in there so that it loads in with what I'm currently using or wearing. Um, disable commands I think makes sense as well. Hover would be really cool, but not a necessity. And then this would also be cool, but not a necessity. Although maybe more of a necessity than the hover. That's what I'm thinking at least. Yeah, okay. You just redeem that for fun, Dipodots? You just wanted to see it? Oh, you know what I can do very quickly? I can hop in here. I can hop in here. Oh shit. And open. Do I not have? I guess I don't have a recent. I can open edit mode testing. Right? Is that the one? I think so. Oh, welcome back. Click the colors. Is it not clicking for you? Not letting you click? Like if you click on that, you click on the orange colors, it's not working for you? Yeah, the orange tab should do it for you. I wonder if it still thinks it's me. No, it's not letting me click. Weird. And you're on desktop? I think if you're on desktop, you have to make sure that you enable the green heat extension. Which I think is like the little thing, like when you mouse over it, it has the extensions on like the right side. I think you have to like enable that. Then it should accept your clicks, because I think otherwise it just thinks that you're anonymous. Oh, you know what? I think having a hover and click. Oops, I can't. We're not seeing. But yeah. Yeah, you can click on the colors, and then you won't click on my model over here. You'll click on the little PNG up there. On where you want what colors. Because I move too much. But I do think that having a visual for where you're clicking and where you're hovering would be helpful. So show hover and show click for the editor. I think that makes sense. Yeah. I think what would be helpful too. Let me try something very quickly because hi, it's me. I think I want to do the border and then maybe do the edit. I don't know. I don't think I want that to be a separate thing. Oh, look at you. All kinds of colors. But yeah, when you're done, you can either exclamation point done, but if you want to save it, then you can exclamation point export and then give it a name. Did you do that or me? I'm not doing shit. It's Dipodots. But yeah, I want this text. I want the edit mode active. Call this one cotton candy cloud. I do still have the yellow eye, if that is something you want to change. I'm sure you can't super see it well actually on the image. Yeah, I'll get this text in there. Maybe I'll just put that on my to-do list. Maybe add text with flash, like so that it kind of like toggles between colors or something to let you know it's active. I don't know. But yeah, Divodots, do you wanna export that? Because if you want, you can do export. Or let me make sure that it doesn't. You can do something like that without the space between the exclamation point and export. Because then you can redeem it later if you want. That way it's like a preset and you can save it. Ooh, okay. Let me actually make sure that that worked. Although actually it didn't seem to want to exit my... It didn't want to exit edit mode, which is interesting. I wonder if it received it over here. Actually didn't receive that. That's interesting. Maybe it just takes time? I can check where that saves real quick. See if it is... Maybe it's writing. This would be... Where would this be? Preset. It didn't want to export. That's interesting. I actually didn't test that yet, so I appreciate the test. Ooh, actually? Let me make sure that those are turned on. Those commands are turned on. Strange that that StreamerBot didn't accept it. If I type it, will it accept something? That would be annoying. Oh, that's dumb. Why did it accept me? Oh, wait a ding dang minute. I know why. I'm pretty sure I just have me and mods available to do that. I should not have that happen. There we go. That should be reset. Okay. Let me delete that from... Wait. Hold on. Are you still there, Dipodots? If you want, you can try that export again. I just want to see if it closes the window when you do it. Because it should. If you just like retype that, then it should close the window. Or just copy paste. Oh, there you go. Let me make sure it wrote. Oh my god, it did. Incredible. Yippee! Okay, it worked. That's awesome. So then, when you do, like if you were to switch presets to something else, then that is also an acceptable preset. So, yeah. Now you can pick this whenever you want. Okay, great. I might see who's around to raid, actually. Because it is about that time for me. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's nice. Okay. Thank you so much for being here, everybody who has been very patient with me with testing and whatnot. That's super cool. I'm glad this is working. So then maybe we can actually run with this. And then we'll work on coats and whatnot later. I do actually think that having the hover event would make a lot of sense to put in there. Anyway, we have a list of things to do. Yeah. Who's around? It is Wednesday. Wait, Fruitsy's here. Oh my gosh. I wonder if Prod's over there. If not, they totally should be. Yeah, let's go say hi, because they're also doing clicky clickies, and it seems to be their affiliate anniversary, so go wish them a happy. Yeah, let's do it. Let's raid Fruitsy Collins. Cool. Um, hell yeah. Well, thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Um, Friday, if all goes well, that'd be super cool. Donka first. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for being here. Starman is forever the beta tester. Dipodots, thank you. Silime, thank you. Thank you for being here. Testing this by myself would not only be boring, it probably wouldn't super work since I need to make sure it's not, other people can interact and break stuff. So, yeah, made good progress. Pretty happy with that. I'm wondering, they might have just gotten a raid, but I don't care. We're raiding again. Cool. Let's get out of here while I'm cotton candied. All right. Eyeball spin. Whee!